about like just to give DK some sort of recognition, and then uplift maybe small shops such as Spin Out, Lil O as a brand, and then there are some other companies around DK. So the initiative is about washing cars, making money, and that money maybe will get to be donated at our orphanages, or like sort of what can I say, like any organization that needs money.
So tell me exactly when did the session start? And I know this is the second last one, and I'm so happy that we actually came here because it's actually going down. By the way, tell me, just explain to me when it started, and after this, seeing that this is the second last one, what's gonna happen after? Are we still gonna see heavy Panda during winter, or are we just gonna be quiet?
Basically it started last year in December, but then we thought why not start it in January, just to start things fresh. It would have started by Karabum Plomi, as you know, with the man, the co-owner and the CEO, Kabilum Plomi. They started in January, but then in January there was nothing happening until we did the February session, March, and then the April. So the second last one, maybe things will be different, and then after then we're gonna take a break since it's winter, or winter's coming. Then we're gonna come back in September, and then after that we'll be
Guys, you heard it from the man himself, Mr. Louis, by the way. Anyway, guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let him go back to all the fun.
Still with you.
Welcome back to the Real Biz Magazine show, and here you have Neosbia, the newest member of the team, just joined Gail onto the show, and we're about to interview somebody who's having an awesome time here at the Summer Ladies Car Wash. And you are?
Khothazo.
Well, so Khothazo, what are you doing at the car wash?
Okay, I wash cars and do the ads and run the ads.
And where can we hear about this, like if somebody wants to attend?
Okay, we've got the ad in the newspaper, so it's the newspaper website. You can also join the Heavy Pandas group page on Facebook.
Oh,
yes.
And are you having a good time here?
You're so much. It's just too awesome.
And business, how's that? Is it booming? Cars coming, support?
Well, in the morning we thought cars aren't going to come because of the weather, but now business is doing great.
And that's what's happening. And we're still chilling here in Deep with more party goers, people that are enjoying themselves in the Summer Ladies Car Wash. We have and how are you ladies today?
So fun.
How long have you guys been here?
I've been here for March.
So you've been at the event before?
Yeah.
And what's been the experience of Heavy Pandas event?
It's quite good. Get inspired by the girls who washes the cars.